Let's talk about dashboard reports. Microsoft Project includes a powerful reporting engine that generates a number of graphical dashboard reports. What I really like about these dashboard reports is that all of them are automatically updated every time you edit your project. To use these reports, you can view them, print them, or even export them to another Microsoft Office application. Each dashboard report includes the following major elements: tables that are based on the table functionality found in Microsoft Word, and charts that are based on the charting functionality found in Microsoft Excel. The Project Overview report is probably my favorite report because it gives a nice high-level overview about the entire project. In this report, notice that it includes a chart in the upper right corner, and it includes 3 tables as well. So let's go ahead and take a look now at how to view a dashboard report. Click the Report tab to display the Report ribbon. In the View Report section of the ribbon, you'll find a variety of buttons, including New Report, plus Dashboards, Resources, Costs, In Progress, Getting Started, also Custom and Recent, and finally Task Boards. Keep in mind that you'll only see a Task Boards Pick List button if you have the subscription-based version of Microsoft Project, which is the Office 365 version known as Project Online Professional. Let's take a look at a few reports. In the Dashboard section, you'll find my personal favorite report. It's called Project Overview. This gives you a nice high-level overview of the project. It includes 3 tables and 1 chart that describe the high-level status of the project. If I click the Report ribbon tab again, let's click Dashboards, and this time I'll show you the Cost Overview report. In this report, we've actually got 4 tables that show us cost-related information, plus 2 charts. Again, I'll go back to the Report ribbon tab, click Dashboards, and I'll choose Work Overview. This report consists of 2 charts on the left, plus 3 tables on the right that give us the overall status of the project on work. Let's go back to the Report ribbon again. This time I'll show you a good resource report to use. It's called Resource Overview. This gives you a nice high-level overview of what each of your resources is doing in the project. You can see at the top there's 2 charts, and at the bottom a table. And then finally, if I go back to the Report ribbon one more time, this time I'll click the Costs Pick List button, and a good one is Task Cost Overview. In this report, you can see 2 charts at the top and a table at the bottom. That's how to view dashboard reports in Microsoft Project. Please pause this video now and complete hands-on exercise 10-4.